Hello everyone, welcome to the tutorial of Python for absolute beginners. At the first video we are going to learn how to install Python. To install Python you need to go to your browser. I am going to Google Chrome. I am clicking new window. Okay, then you need to search download Python, then press enter. Then you need to go to the top link python.org. okay, click it. Okay, then you need to click download Python. Okay, if you click it, then it will automatically start downloading. As I have downloaded before, so I am cancelling it. Now I am going to my downloads, and this is my previously download package. Okay, then please click it. If you are using Windows, you need to click also this download Python, because it automatically generates Windows or Mac or any other OS. Then you need to install by clicking the package or the installer. Then please click install or the package. Okay, I'm using Mac, so I'm clicking the package. Now it will start installing. Okay, then click continue. Then again you can read this or click continue. Then again continue. Please agree. Okay, then you can customize it, customize the install or standard install. So I'm using standard install. Then click install. Okay, I'm using my password. Okay, it starts installing. It will install all the files, and then you can run it. It is loading, please wait. I'll be back after installation. Okay, it has installed all the files, so you need to click the idle. Okay, idle, so idle, then open. And idle will be opened. Okay, this is the Python programming compiler. Okay, you need to install this to run Python, to do Python, to learn coding of Python. So that's all for today. We are going to start the basic programming of Python from the next video. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and like if it is helpful, and if you have any question or query, please comment. Please leave a comment, and please support me always. Thank you so much.